In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove notes from PowerPoint before sharing. Imagine you're preparing to send out a presentation and you want it to look polished and professional. A simple way to do that is to make sure any private speaker notes you've added for yourself aren't visible when others open the file. I'll guide you through the exact steps so you can do this quickly and confidently. Start by opening PowerPoint on your computer. Once it's running, locate the presentation you plan to share, whether that's in your documents, on your desktop, or in a specific project folder, and open it. You'll see your slides displayed and ready for editing. Now, focus on the top of the PowerPoint window. You'll notice a row of tabs that serve as your main controls. Click the View tab. This area controls how you see your presentation, which is exactly what we need for managing notes. Inside the View tab, look for the Notes button. This button toggles the notes section that appears beneath each slide. If your notes are currently visible, you'll usually see that the Notes button looks selected or highlighted. To hide notes, simply click that button once to deselect it. The Notes section will collapse and disappear from view. That's all there is to it. Your slides are now displayed without the visible notes area. It's important to understand that hiding the notes doesn't delete them. They're still part of the file. They're just not shown on screen in this view. If you're planning to share the presentation with others, a smart practice is to save a clean copy specifically for distribution. Use Save As to create a separate version with a new name, so you keep your original file with all your notes for your own reference. This way you preserve your working document while sending out a polished version that's free of visible notes. Taking a moment to do this helps avoid any accidental sharing of private reminders, draft talking points, or sensitive context you never intended to circulate. It also keeps your slides focused and easy to follow for your audience, which reflects well on your professionalism. And that's it. You've hidden the notes and prepared a clean version of your presentation to share. Now you can send it with confidence, knowing it looks neat and intentional. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more PowerPoint tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.